Alright, here we are in Phoenix, Arizona, in my vegetable garden. I thought I'd do a quick video tip on when and how to harvest the Charentais cantaloupe and what signs to look for that it's ripe. I didn't see that much information online on when to harvest this variety, so hopefully these tips will help you when you grow it. Cantaloupes do really well here in the desert. They take a lot of water, but they are pretty heat resistant. The main difference between this variety and some other ones that you might have grown, like some of the musk melons, is that they don't slip off the vine when they're ripe. By slip I mean like most musk melons, when you put a little pressure and you pull on it, if it's ripe it'll start to crack where the fruit meets the stem and it'll slip off. These don't do that, so you have to rely on the color change and the smell that they start to give off. They give off a really nice pleasant cantaloupe smell. This one here is, as you can see, green and gray. It's clearly not ready. This one is just starting to turn colors and give up a smell, so I'll probably leave that for one more day. And that one over there is finally ready to be picked. It's quite easy to tell when they're ready to be picked. The smell is incredibly strong and the color change is quite obvious. Another sign though is this variety tends to split easily at the bottom. If it splits well before it's turned colors or gives us smell, then you've probably been giving it too much water. If it splits once it has turned to an orangish yellow color and has a strong smell to it, then it's not a problem. It's quite common with this variety, and you can just take it inside, wash off the ants, and really you should eat it quite soon after you pick it because they don't store very well and they bruise quite easily. The upside of that is that they're probably the sweetest cantaloupe you'll ever taste. Another sign is that these tendrils, as you can see here, they start to dry, but it's not, that the tendril sign is not as clear for this variety, I've found. Most clear is just the smell and the color change. So I'll cut this now. They really don't get much bigger than this, about a pound or two at most. But this variety is quite prolific. They put out a lot of fruit, and you can grow them basically all summer long for months. So they're quite worthwhile, especially this variety, which just tastes so much better than anything you'll find in the store. Hopefully you've enjoyed this tip and it helps you with your gardening if you decide to grow it. And stay tuned and subscribe. I will do more updates and more tips, especially relating to desert gardening and Arizona gardening in particular.